Keeping safe. If we are alone, away from our parents or elders, we need to remember certain rules to keep ourselves safe. Okay? So we have learned about safety measures you have to take at home and all that. Right? Home, school, road. Right? But there are some things you have to keep in mind if you are alone. If you are alone, away from your parents and other elders, we need to remember certain rules to keep ourselves safe. How can we keep ourselves safe if we are alone somewhere? Okay? First thing, say no if you are offered sweets or chocolates. See, this boy is standing here. A man is here and he's offering chocolates. Come on, boy, have this, take this chocolate, eat this chocolate, this is for you, like that. If some stranger gives you sweets and chocolates or chocolates, you should say no, don't take them, because sometimes they might be bad people. They might give you chocolates which are having drugs and other things, and they might just they might be trying to kidnap you, okay, take you away. Okay, so don't take chocolates from strangers. Okay, if some people you know, means your uncle or auntie or anyone, they give you chocolates, it's fine. But when you're alone somewhere and a stranger gives you such things, never accept it. Means say no to them. I don't want. Okay, next one. Do not accept any gifts or presents from strangers. If a stranger, see, this man is standing here, one boy, and he gave one balloon to this boy and he took it. You should not take any gifts from others. Okay, some people, they try to kidnap small children. Okay, they come near. If they see children, some child is standing alone, they will come and give some chocolates or show them balloons. Come boy, I'll give you balloon, come with me, like that they will say and take you away. Okay, so never accept any gifts or presents from strangers. Okay, be careful when you are alone. Next one, if a stranger offers to drop you home, refuse to go with him. See, this girl is going back home from school. She's having a bag, wearing a uniform, and this man is telling, come with me, I will take you to your house. You should say no. Say, I will go myself, I don't need anyone's help, I will go myself. Okay, don't go with any strangers. Some people might tell you, come with me, I will take you to your house, and they will take you somewhere else. Okay, so you have to be very careful. Never accept any sweets or gifts from strangers, and never say that, always tell, if a stranger offers you to drop you home, refuse, means say no, I will go myself. Okay, I don't need your help. Okay, so always stay away from strangers. Next, do not let strangers into your house. Even if your parents are there and they have kept you alone in your house, and they have gone out for some emergency and you are alone in your house, or even if your parents are taking bath or something and you are sitting alone in your house, and if someone rings a bell or knocks at the door, do not you have to see if who is the person outside. If it is a stranger, do not let stranger into your house. Please come in. If you don't know the person, just tell your parents that some people have come. Then your parents will say, wait, I will come, I will talk to them, I will see them. Don't open the door. Okay, so you should not, if there is someone whom you know, means some of your friends or relatives who is standing outside the door, then you can let them in. But strangers, don't let them in. They might be thieves. They might have come to steal something from your house. If someone comes, just opening the door, come inside. If you say, they will come inside and steal everything and go away. Okay, so you have to be careful. So these are the things you have to keep in mind. What? When you are alone, okay, you should always keep in mind. Okay, if in case you are alone, while playing, all of a sudden your friends have gone and you are standing alone somewhere, someone comes and tells you, come on, take this chocolate, have these sweet. Say no to them. Don't take sweets and chocolates from people. Then do not accept any gifts. They may give you, come on, I'll buy one toy for you, I'll give you one balloon and take you somewhere. Don't come with me. If they say like that, don't accept the gifts or chocolates. Then if someone says, come, I will drop you at home, then say, no, I will go myself, I don't need your help. If these people, all these things have to be followed when you are talking to a stranger. Okay, stranger, when you see a stranger means someone whom you don't know, you have not seen before, who is not your relative, who's not someone in your family, not your friend, not your mother's friend, or your teacher, or anyone you know before. From such people, never accept gifts, sweets, and never tell them. If they tell you, I will drop you at home, say no, I will go myself. And also, if you are alone at home, or your mother is taking bath and you are sitting alone in your room, and all of a sudden someone comes at home, some stranger, don't let the stranger into your house. Strangers, some people can be good, some people can be bad. Okay, not all strangers are bad, but for your safety, make sure that you tell your mother, mama, someone has come, I don't know who it is. And then what is it? Your mama will say, don't open the door, I will come, I wait for some time, I will come and open the door. Okay, so you don't do it. Okay, only if someone who is familiar to you, whom you know, comes and knocks the door, and then you can open the door. Strangers, don't let them inside your house. Okay, you are alone, you are a small child. If someone comes, you can't stop them. They will just hit you and put you aside and steal something from your home. They can do anything. Okay, I'm not saying all people are bad, but there are chances. There are bad people and good people in this world. Okay, so to be safe, you have to keep all these things in mind. Okay, so will you be good children and keep all these things in mind? Okay, so what all things did you learn today? You learned about first aid box, which you have to if you don't have first aid box at home, tell your mama, buy a small box, keep band-aid, some antiseptic cream, and thermometer, some medicine for fever, cold, and some painkillers, then cough syrups, then cotton, then stethoscope. You won't get it, they are used by nurse and doctors. Then what else are there? Then you can keep scissors, torch, and all those things you have to keep in stock. Tell your mothers. Then that is what you learned first. Then you learned about keeping safe, how you have to be when you are alone. Okay, so tomorrow we'll learn something new. Okay, till then, bye children.